Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. If you want to take your home to the next level, here are 5 must-have habits for smart homeowners. First up, make it a habit to automate your home. Set schedules for your lights, thermostat, and other devices to save energy and make your life easier. Next, always stay updated with the latest technology. Smart home devices are constantly evolving, so make sure you keep up with new releases and updates to make the most of your smart home experience. And don't forget to prioritize security. Change default passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and regularly update your devices to keep your smart home safe and secure. Remember, being a smart homeowner is all about creating a convenient and enjoyable living experience. So, embrace these habits and watch your home become even smarter. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.
Hey there, have you been procrastinating on developing better habits? Well, I've got just the tool to help you out. Meet ChatGPT, your new virtual assistant that can help boost your habits fast. With ChatGPT, you can set personalized goals and receive daily reminders to keep you on track. Whether you want to exercise more, eat healthier, or improve your productivity, ChatGPT has got your back. Need a quick pep talk to get moving? ChatGPT can provide you with motivational quotes and tips to keep you inspired throughout the day. It's like having a supportive friend cheering you on every step of the way. So, if you're looking to level up your habits and make...
Hey there, welcome to today's short video. Today, we are going to talk about mastering the mindset for blockchain success. The first key point is to have a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and see failures as opportunities to learn and grow. With the ever-evolving world of blockchain, it's important to adapt and be open to new ideas. Another important aspect is to stay curious and continuously educate yourself. The blockchain industry is constantly changing, so staying informed and up to date with the latest trends and developments is crucial for success. Remember, success in the blockchain world is not just about technical skills, but also about having the right mindset. So stay positive, keep learning, and believe in yourself. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence: with the right mindset, the possibilities in the world of blockchain are endless. Keep pushing forward and you'll achieve great success. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, let's talk about boosting self-esteem with virtual reality, using a mindful approach. One way virtual reality can help boost self-esteem is by allowing you to practice mindfulness. By immersing yourself in a serene environment, you can focus on the present moment and let go of negative thoughts that may be affecting your self-esteem. Take a deep breath in and exhale any self-doubt. Another benefit of using virtual reality to boost self-esteem is through visualization. By visualizing yourself succeeding in different scenarios, you can boost your confidence and belief in your abilities. See yourself achieving your goals and watch your self-esteem soar. So, next time you're feeling down, why not give virtual reality a try? Remember, you are worthy, capable, and deserving of all the love and success in the world. Embrace your uniqueness and let your self-esteem shine bright. Uplifting ending sentence: you've got this, beautiful soul. Keep shining and believing in yourself.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing and exploring its mind-blowing transformation in action. First up, let's talk about the incredible precision of 3D printing. With this technology, you can create complex and detailed objects with just the push of a button. From intricate jewelry pieces to architectural models, the possibilities are truly endless. Next, let's discuss the impact of 3D printing on the medical field. Doctors are now using this technology to create custom prosthetics and implants for patients, revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. This breakthrough has not only improved patient outcomes but has also reduced costs and waiting times. In conclusion, 3D printing is changing the game in so many industries, from fashion to healthcare. The future is truly bright with this innovative technology at our fingertips. Remember, the only limit to what you can create is your imagination. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. Thanks for watching.